Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to find a solution about TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on TikTok. If it's not working with you, then you can turn on turn off your phone, and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.